Okay, so what I did with this video was I wanted to learn how to make any wood thing look antique. So the first thing I did was I painted it, and this can be super messy because a lot of it's going to get sanded off anyways, but this is what mine looked like after I did it. The second thing you do is you sand it down because you want some of the wood to show through so it looks older, faded, weathered, and it might look really distressed afterward and lighter, but that is completely okay. We're going to fix that later. So you just want to make sure you roughly get every side and that it looks pretty much decent. And then the next part is optional. If you like the weird distressed look, that's fine. But I used the wood toner. I used Watco Rejuvenating Oil, and I completely struggled with this lid. It was hilarious. I don't know who created this, but that designer is a very bad designer. So I finally got it off. And then there was a metal thing underneath it. Yay. So I ended up grabbing a knife and just stabbing through it because I don't have any patience for this kind of thing. Yeah. So then you just wipe all of it with the toner, and it turns the paint back to its original color and also colors the wood a little bit, stains it. I think it looks really cool. That was not English. So that's what it looks like after it's toned. And you want to make sure the paint's completely dry before you tone it, because then it'll wipe some of the paint off. And then the last part, this is optional. I used some beeswax polish just to make sure that the toner would stay fresh and on, and I missed a couple spots with the toner, so the polish got it back to a decent color anyways. So this is just another layer of protection, makes it a little shiny. So if you want a matte finish, maybe don't do it, but I like it, and this is what it looks like when it's finished. It's really cool, so I hope you like it too.